Ito nambere ni ati mwerekeri wa kithomo ndeni akaunti ya Meru Joseph Olemaki ariuga nendo aritoba Green 10 baraba kutonya senior secondary bakinyete gichinji kya 70 kuma kireana kinya gutuika kwina mathina ya wagibobisi akiarende ni achukuru ya Rugusu Comprehensive School wandini ya kibiri cha bore na kuria machukuru nende kunenkara chiari kanya nkuruki kenda kuibangania kona aritoba ondenende ibakwidira bagita nambere na kithomo nkuruki DCCO Southimenti Mary Mwangi na gwete thirikari chiritanirite gutigira ritobo ndiba gutonya Green 10 na kiuria chibo na nini bo gutigira bo ibo kumbeka mwandike twandeto Gaki Mutegi no tutariria chikinya
akiaria murugamiri wa kithomo kaunti ya Meru no Joseph Olemaki aruga mwankira thiino arito baraba gutonya kiri senior secondary gicunji kia 70 tayari baripotete cukuru na akirigira babu bangi batigarite kiumia gikithira bakethirwa bagucoka cukuru.
Today we are at 71%. Yesterday we are at 60 something, and we were allocated at 33,620. And today we are at 23,900. So we have around 9,000 yet to go to school. But maybe even those from Meru have gone to other counties, you know. But I'm just saying that the number allocated and versus those who reported, we are at 71%. And we are doing very well in mopping up. We have started mopping up. We are working with the Ministry of Interior. We are working with the parents and other stakeholders to make sure that we mop up and all students go to school. In fact, actually, some of them are saying that they are getting fees, they are getting their uniforms, they are preparing, and even some have called principals that secure my chance. Keep for me my chance. Don't give out. I'm coming. So we are very, very sure by the end of the week we might be at 100%.
Ungena kundi sisi wa Imenti South nwa Mary Mwangi na ugete thirikari ri mustari nwa mbere gutigira ritobo nthe barabara gerete kigerio kia grade 9 bathi grade 10 bagutonya cukuru
kuanzia leo jioni na kesho up to Friday. Wale watoto wote ambao walitoka junior schools grade 9 tunataka kuhakikisha wote wameenda wapi? Wameenda senior schools. Kama mtoto ameitwa shule ya mbali na wazazi hawajaweza kupeleka yeye, uhakikishe kwamba huyo mtoto aende the nearest day school. The nearest day school.
Iromba ria kendi kiria tongoria ba matora ibo machibo gutonya nagu matora ni kuona kana kuri na mwana atigarite atathiete cukuru.
Chief, tafadhali we go door to door, use our village elders. Wale watoto hawajaenda kesho na kesho kutwa waripoti shule. Kama anaenda mbali na umekosa transport, nilikuwa pia ninaambia chiefs kama ni within our schools here in Southimenti, we can offer that vehicle, that D-Max, transport those learners to the schools within our kama ameitwa St. Mary's hapa, chukua yeye huko chini, peleka shule.
Kuma gicigo mbunge kia Buri ngiripotera ndeto cia weru ni ukambita Gaki Mutegi.